Kick off with Emmeline Blackburn. Happy birthday to Emmeline. I love the get up, kiddo. She is celebrating in Pittsburgh, and this big 3-year-old gets happy birthday wishes from Mom, Dad, Papa Alan, and Grandma Evelyn.
Cutest little Dalmatian ever there. Ellie Lampy turning 4 years old this year. Ellie is in La Harpe, Kansas.
Geyer Louise Humble. I want you to know Nana sending you these happy birthday wishes as Geyer celebrates number 6 in Girard.
Oh, great picture. And Willa Fecky is 7 years old this year. Growing up there, Willa, in Carl Junction. She's in 1st grade now. Love mommy, daddy, and sister.
Reed Prophet celebrating his 8th birthday. Reed, a marvelous day to you, sir. He is in Pittsburgh.
And Braylon Crumpacker turning 8 years old this year. Happy birthday, Braylon.
Cameron Burchett, she has a 9th birthday. Cameron, wants you to have a marvelous day. She's in Liberal.
Ryder Murphy celebrating birthday number 9 in Seneca.
And Jama Stevenson, an 11th birthday. Peace out, kiddo. She is in, where's she? Next City. She's turning 11.
Then we head out to Parsons to celebrate birthday number 12 for Reagan Thompson. Hope it's a great one.
Joy Crete. Ah, what a great picture right there, Joy. A happy teenage birthday. She celebrates in Liberal.
All right, and Katie Dragoo is celebrating a birthday, and if it's Katie's birthday, it means it's Haley's birthday as well. The Dragoo twins in Seneca celebrating today.
Got a big 18th birthday for Jackie White. That's too cool picture right there. Happy birthday, Jackie. She is in Girard.
Down in Diamond, Missouri, Cody Biller is 18 years old. Little throwback pic there.
Kiona Frobish. A happy birthday, number 19 this year. Kiona is celebrating in Columbus.
All right, and Jonathan Honeshell is the big 4-0 this year. Happy birthday, Jonathan, in Carthage.
Got an anniversary in the form of Brent and Lynn Linder. They are celebrating 51 years. I tell you what, Linders, it is going to be a marvelous beginning of February to be out on that bike. Get out and enjoy it there in Pittsburgh.
All right, and in Parsons, belated birthday wish going out to Crystal Noble back on the 26th, turned 39. David Saya in Arma, happy birthday to you.
Kim Mosberg, she celebrates a birthday in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Kim. And then over the weekend, Carol Madron, she celebrated a birthday. Carol in Coffeyville. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all on this February 1. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMBirthdays.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Speaking of it,